How's it going, mate? Alright, this is the 2013 Fatboy. We have just got this installed 2-in-1 system. So I'm not gonna tell you what brand this is. Just listen to it. Killing sound, man. Performance by Ultima. So 2-in-1 Ultima performance on 2013 Fatboy. Check this out, man. And this is that's a nice big radius just removed from that Fatboy. So this is what it is, you know, the 2-in-1 Ultima, the box and packing. This is what been installed on that Fatboy. I'm Arno. Be safe and be a responsible rider on the road. I'm out of here.